Welcome to the representation of comfort and innovation, where relaxation meets cutting edge design, introducing the Wildwood Versa Lounge chair, redefining the art of leisure. Let's dive into our table of contents to give you a glimpse of what lies ahead. Introduction of furniture, materials, problems, design basis, sketch, and visual representation. As we journey through each section, we invite you to immerse yourself in the world of furniture design where creativity meets craftsmanship and innovation knows no boundaries.
Wildwood raised a lunch, storage, table, sofa chair, single bed. Wildwood raised a lounge. First, eco-friendly, craft from responsibly sourced materials. Each piece showcase a perfect blend of functionality and environmental consciousness. Second, durable. The minimalist aesthetic ensure a timeless appeal while the robust construction ensure longevity and resilience to daily wear and tear. Third, user-friendly. The modular design allows for easy customization, enable you to create a personal arrangement that suits your lifestyle. Fourth, innovative. Innovation is seen in the furniture's design by its functional advancement, space efficiency, sustainability, and adaptability.
So in this slide, we have this file which we aim to have this sturdy, also durable that can withstand wear, pressure, or also damage over time. This innovation has a strong and long-lasting and also the able to endure a regular use or exposure to various conditions without easily breaking or becoming unusable. Also, we aim sustainable and also a multi-purpose on this slide, which is the foam, we aim to have this eco-friendly, which means in short for environmental friendly means that this foam will be minimize negative impacts on the planet. It can also reduce pollutions as conserving resources and promoting sustainability. And also, this foam is made from scrap foam and has a comfortable and lightweight foam. So on this slide we have the table, which is the we aim to have this as a lightweight and also is sturdy, and most of the time it can be a maximized usage and adjustable, which is this furniture also the feature that flexibility to be adjusted or to be adapted to meet the individual needs.
So let's move on to the materials. The first one is scrap foam. It is mixed with fiber and converted into stuffing for our furniture foam. The second one is bamboo wood. We all know that bamboo wood that its durability makes it a great material for long-lasting products. The third one is oil-based varnishes because it is durable and stand up well to heat and chemicals and provide a beautiful warm glow. They are often preferred for outdoor use due to their ability to withstand various weather conditions. And also last is we will use tubular for our furniture table.
Today, I will discuss the challenges we face in creating the Wildwood Versa Lounge and the solutions we've implemented. We identified limited storage and comfort as common issues in furniture design. To address this, we've designed furniture with built-in shelves and hidden compartments for increased storage and incorporated high-quality cushions and adjustable features for enhanced comfort. Assembly errors were another challenge which we addressed by ensuring clear instructions are provided and followed. The quality of materials is crucial to prevent premature wear and tear and to avoid instability in larger pieces. We focus on using high quality pest resistant materials and stabilizing our unit with adjustable or reinforced supports. Finally, to avoid obsolescence, we prioritize timeless and versatile design and offer furniture with modular components that can be updated or replaced individually.
Our group decided to make a proposal of different modular furnitures, and this caught our interest, so we decided to make it as our design basis. This was our initial sketch, and there's almost no difference from the design basis since we imagined the different views of the furniture first. Finally, this is our final design, and changes are made to make the furniture more efficient, and it will be discussed in the animation.
Here is the animation of our Wildwood Versa Lounge. Wildwood Versa Lounge consists of two sofa chairs and a table that can be linked together to produce a comfortable single bed. Next, let's talk about the details of the two sofas. Both are equipped with large compartment, two drawers, and four built-in screwable sofa foot. Next is the table, which can be adjusted depending on what setup you prefer, either sofa set or sofa single bed. Table is linkable to the sofa to create a single bed. Next comes the visuals of the bed. Here you can see the two armrest pillows are put in the table to align it to the sofa's foam, which creates a comfortable bed. Then second to the last is visuals for the dining set, another majestic function of the Wildwood version. And lastly is the packaging trick, which solves the problem of the customers about shippings. Parts are to be allocated inside the furniture with proper packaging, and two host lock mechanism are placed inside with the different packaging, all in all making it to a shippable one box.